English version mathematics class 5 chapter 6 number 11. The population of a coastal upazila was 76,350.4%. 4% of people migrate due to rise sea level of the coast. What was the current population of the upazila? Then total population was 76,350 and migrate 4%. That means in 100 migrate 4, and then in 1 migrate 1 by 4, then 76350 4 into 76350 by 100. Then answer will be 3054 people. Then what they asked, what was the current population? So the current population 76350 minus 354 equal to 73,296 people. Is the current people of the upazila. Thank you.